US crude last week dropped again below $100 levels. As I told, below 100 my target is going to be 92, and then this time it broke below 92 itself, got the support at 80 88 levels, and that is what where the next support lies. Below that, yes, we can see it falling further till towards 85 and 75 levels. Be watchful of this. I will be careful there. And yes, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators what should be our trading strategy in order to make profit, how and which position we should take, and at what levels. Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do watch till the end. Also, those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily analysis on US crude early with the Asia session. The day with the Asia session, definitely it helps you in your day trading decisions, so watch that also. And if you are interested into other commodities in markets including natural gas, gold, silver, and markets including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany, or Nifty, you can watch those as well. Now let's start. This is the daily charts for US crude, and you can find it is trading in this channel. The lows are done, and in fact if it tries to rise, the highs are going to be at around 100 to 103 levels. Now this is on the daily charts. Also look at this. See, it went past the 92 levels, it breached it despite three successive candles including the last trading day. It got the support at 92. We have seen it breaching once. It also helped achieve the lower lows of this channel. And yes, if you see this is a narrowing triangle. Interestingly, on the near term time frame, this is a narrowing triangle where you can see this, the bearishness is diminishing and it is trying to consolidate a bit before looking forward to a breakout. Now also just observe these three candles. See the support here at 93.5, and with that as pivot it has seen higher highs, lower lows, despite also shown a breakout also. Now for next week, yes, if you see it trading below this zone at 93.5, you can go short for 91.8 levels, and if it breaks below this zone, we can expect it to drop more. So watch out for 93.5 levels. Below that, yes, you can go short. Else, any opening below 95, it may again try to take it further high. The target is going to be 97, which is the next resistance zone, and beyond that we may see it flying till towards 100. Whether it is going to happen or not, let's have a more detailed look on the help of 4-hour charts and weekly charts. Also on the 4-hour charts, you can find here what we have seen on the daily charts. Higher highs are done. The pivot is somewhere here at around 93.5. With that as pivot, 92 is the first support, and it is trying to take a good drop. So below 93.5 you can again expect it to hit 92 levels, and below 92 we can expect a further more fall, which will bring it till towards 91 and then 88 and 85 levels. 85 is the next stronger support on the downside. On the upside, as we can see here, now see on the upside we have already seen that this is the next resistance zone at 100 and 103 levels, 103.5 levels. Be watchful of this. Previously this was the support, now this is the resistance which it is failing to go past by, hence it will again prove out to be resistance. Also this zone at 98 to 100, so probably a reversal beyond 95 96 levels, it can show you a strong bullish move. Be watchful of that. And yes, now let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, see this, there is a resemblance on the last two candles. See, it is start, and these two candles increasing body size, that is one observation, leaving a tail behind, that is second observation. See, tail size also reducing, body size increasing, and indicating that the bears are still very much there. Now let's look at and connect the dot out there. It is trying to trade precisely in this channel. The highs of this channel for the week at around 100.5 levels. On the downside, the support here at 85 and 87 is going to be very strong. Be watchful of this. Any move below 93.5 next week, yes, you can remain short, and then one can expect it to hit 92, 90 and then 87 levels. In fact, 85 levels can be seen. This time it may show you a good fall. So if it breaks below this zone, we can expect, see, this is the next target, and below 85 it has to drop more. I had told you in the analysis few weeks back, the target at 80 and 75 is almost visible, and it is going to achieve those levels. So be watchful of that. And yes, next week also it appears that these levels may hold good. Now let's come back to the monthly candle. Now look at the monthly candle. See this candle, previous candle, almost $20 of move, and here also you can see almost $22 of move. Almost the candle size is equal. What it may try to do is to give you the equal size of body. Now when it what it means by equal size of body, you can see it here, almost 105 to 114, almost $9, and hence if you count it here from 104, it is almost 95 levels. So yes, it can again come back to these levels towards the end of the month, and the lows are precisely done. That is what it is appearing right now. So in fact, if it tries to rise above 100 and 102 levels, it can again come back to 95. That is my observation. On the downside, if it breaks till towards 85, it can again come back to 95. This is my observation out there for the month of July. So 95 should stick as a pivot point for the rest of the month. Be watchful of this. Yes, it can achieve 85. There is no denial of that. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators whether the indicators are also suggestive of same. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you will find 94 levels are providing a stronger support, and then the pivot at around 96 and 97 are going to be stronger resistance on the upside. Any move beyond those definitely will provide a very strong bullish momentum. Directional movement is bearish here. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought here, and if you look at the MACD is bullish, but it is trying to converge. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, you will see this is trading at the bottom, or rather outside the Bollinger Bands and the channel there. That is one observation. The resistance there at 100 to 103 levels is going to be strong. This is a 20 period moving average. This is also a resistance zone. So be watchful of 100 to 103. It may try to achieve this before it looks over to a drop. On the upside, see, it is trading below the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. There is a stronger resistance zone in between 102 to 110. So be watchful of this. Directional movement is bearish here, trying to converge. And look at the stochastic. This is looking upwards, indicative of little bullishness. The MACD is still in bearish zone, trying to converge a bit. RSI is near to bottom here. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly chart, see, it traded outside the Bollinger Bands here, got the support precisely from 88 level. This is a 50 period moving average, and trying to bounce back again on the upside. So either one thing, the width of the bands has to increase for it to sustain the bearish momentum. The directional movement is bearish, and it has just crossed over on the weekly charts. Stochastic is near to bottom. If you look at the MACD, this is wide divergent and bearish, and it has still got some strong reason for it to continue dropping on the downside. Be watchful of this. Look at the RSI. This too is looking downwards, indicative of bearishness. Coming back to the monthly charts, on the monthly charts, the support here at $80 is going to be very, very strong. 80, 85, 75. These three levels, you have to be cautious. These three levels are definitely going to provide a stronger consolidation zone for crude oil. It may fall till there before it looks over to any rise. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. RSI, or rather I'll say stochastic, looking downwards. The MACD is trading bullish, now trying to converge strongly, and it has seen a good reversal down there. RSI was overbought. A sharp turn has been taken after those levels. Now what should be our strategy to make profit next week? Let's have a look at it, and let's have a look at the levels to trade for. First, let's have a look at the levels to go long, and before we look at the levels, yes, if you want to earn the same expertise on how to read the markets, if you want to learn the strategies and methodology to trade profitably and proficiently, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting soon, and this is going to be the 15th batch. 15 days daily, 15 days of batch, 90 minutes daily is what is going to be the course structure. You can be part of it. Definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Now, yes, only long entry I will suggest next week is at 95.2. Beyond this, yes, you can go long for 96.1, and if it breaks past this, there is going to be a strong rise for 97, 98.8 and 100.2. see, it has got a very good resistance zone at 100.2, 102 and 103.5. Now this is the max which I expect. If it continues to rise, then and then only we have to just keep noting the levels. Yes, till 96 it can reverse any point of time, till in fact 98.8 it can reverse any point of time. So be watchful of this zone, but any move beyond 100 should be a very strong reason for it to reverse, and then it can continue with the bullish bias. However, I expect it to drop a little next week, but I do not trade as per the expectation, though I expect it to act bearish, but still I will trade as per the levels only. Go short at 93.8. Below this, yes, you can stay short. Below 93.8, my next target is 92, 90, 87.2, and then 85 levels. It can drop till there. This is going to be a good support, and if 85 it is failed, we can see a good fall till towards 80 and 75. Those are the next target. Sky is the limit on the upside and downside both. Just that is why I always say that trade with the levels, trade with the stop loss. And yes, whenever you see your trade is in profit, first thing is to keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Once the stop loss is at cost, you are happy, you are satisfied that at least you will not lose anything out of that trade. So this is one observation. And the second observation is, yes, once you achieve first target, either close complete the trade, or else close 50% of it, or else shift the stop loss to this level. At least preserve your profits. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, basic strategy, basic methodology, and definitely you will be a profitable trader. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.